it's good news for students. In a relief to students amid coronavirus outbreak, the Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal sir today announced some relaxations for admissions into IITs. In series of tweets, sir stated that the students clearing joint entrance examinations advanced will be eligible for admission into IITs, irrespective of their marks obtained in Class 12 board examinations. Previously, there was a rule that to get admission into IITs, student must have 75% marks in their Class 12 board examinations. As we know, several boards partially cancelled their Class 12 examination in the wake of coronavirus outbreak throughout the country. The HRD ministry have decided to change the admission norms for IITs. Due to partial cancellation of Class 12 exams by several boards, Joint Admission Board has decided to relax the eligibility criteria for JEE Advanced 2020. As we know, the schools in the country has been shut since the last week of March due to COVID-19 outbreak. Many examinations has been cancelled or postponed in the wake of pandemic. The JEE examinations will now held between 1st September to 6th September and JEE Advance will be held on 27th September. In view of current situation arising from the COVID-19 pandemic, the National Testing Agency has decided that the JEE examinations will now be held between 1st and 6th September from 9 am to 12 pm in the first shift, 3 pm to 6 pm in the second shift. National Testing Agency also said that it will allow aspirants to modify the applications including changes in the city or examination centers if they required. This is the news what we have till now. If we get any update, we'll be uploading the video. Please subscribe to get notified.